How can I become a mysterious person? Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Becoming a mysterious person involves cultivating an enigmatic aura that intrigues and captivates others. Keep in mind that striking a balance between mystery and authenticity is important. Here are some tips to help you develop an air of mystery. Curate your appearance. Dress in a way that's unique and slightly unconventional. Choose clothing that reflects your personal style and interests, but also leaves room for interpretation. Accessories like hats, scarves, and sunglasses can add an air of intrigue. Maintain privacy. Be selective about what you share with others, especially on social media. Avoid oversharing personal details and maintain an element of secrecy about certain aspects of your life. Choose your words carefully. Speak thoughtfully and avoid revealing too much about yourself. Use vague or metaphorical language when discussing your thoughts, experiences, and future plans. Listen more than you speak. People tend to reveal a lot about themselves when they feel heard. Being a good listener can make you seem mysterious as others wonder what you're thinking. Cultivate interests. Develop hobbies or interests that are unique and uncommon. This will give you something intriguing to discuss when the topic arises. Practice controlled body language. Use deliberate and controlled gestures, expressions, and body language. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare. Adopt an open posture while keeping some distance. Create a sense of distance. While being friendly, maintain a sense of emotional distance. Be warm and engaging, but leave a hint of elusiveness that makes others want to learn more about you. Embrace solitude. Spending time alone and being comfortable with solitude can contribute to your mysterious aura. It shows that you're self-sufficient and introspective. Tell compelling stories. Share anecdotes that capture people's attention and spark their curiosity. Leave them wanting to know more about your experiences. Develop a signature style. Whether it's your writing, art, music, or any other creative endeavor, cultivating a distinct style can create an air of intrigue. Keep them guessing. Occasionally drop hints about your interests or experiences without fully disclosing them. This can pique curiosity and encourage others to speculate. Be unpredictable. Keep your interactions and activities varied. Surprise others with your choices, decisions, and actions. Remember that while creating a mysterious persona can be intriguing, it's important to remain genuine and respectful. Avoid misleading or manipulating others, and be prepared for different reactions from people. Balance your mystery with authentic connections to build meaningful relationships. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.